Here we have the integer variable none with the initial value with 3. This means that 3 will be installed inside the variable num. So in here we will write num and have the 3 installed inside that. And the next is about the while loop. For the while loop, the program will check the condition of the while loop. If the condition is true, the program will go inside the while loop and execute the lines inside of the while loop. Otherwise, the program will exit the while loop. So first we will go to check. So in here we have we replace the value of num by 3. So 3 is greater than or equal with 1. So you see that the expression 3 is greater than 1 is true. So when the condition is true, the program will go inside. So when the program go inside, you will see the statement console.write. This statement, if you print the value of num, so in here we can write print the value of num. So now the value of num is 3, so you print the number 3 and go to the next line. Next line is about num minus. This means that the value of num will be decreased by 1. So what does it mean that? That is mean that in here we can have num, the value of num equal num and minus 1 like this. So when to be like this is mean that we can write in here like num equal 3, right? The value of num is 3 minus 1 like this, and here will be 2, right? So now it means that the value of num will be changed, right? So we change to be 2 like this. So after that, the program will go back to check the value, to check the condition of the value again. So in here, this one will be changed automatically to be 2, and we will check the condition here again. So here we have the value of num is 2. 2 is greater than or equal with 1, and here we see that the expression 2 is greater than 1 is true. So you can say true like this. So the condition is true, the program will go inside again. So this means we print the value of num, and this time the value of num is 2, so is 2, and go for the next statement is about num minus. So this means at this time we will have the value of num is 2, so we change to be 2, right? 2 minus 1 equal 1. So at this time the value of num will change to be 1 like this. So this means this plate also will change to be 1, and the program will check the condition again. So at this time we will have the value of num is 1, right? Greater than or equal 1. So 1 is greater than or equal with 1. 1 is equal with 1. This statement is true. So in here we can write true like this. So when the condition is true, the program will go inside the while loop again, and in here we will print the value of num at this statement. So we have print value of num is 1, so print 1 like this, and go to the next statement is about num minus. So in here you have 1, right, minus 1 equal 0. So now the value of num will change to be 0 like this, and this one will also change automatically to be 0. And now we'll check the condition again. So at this time we will have 0 is greater than or equal 1, and we'll see that 0 is not greater or equal to 1, right? So the condition is 4 at this time. So when the condition is 4, the program will exit the while loop. So now it means that we will exit this part, right? And go to the next is about this statement. So this statement is about to just enter new line. So in here we can write enter a new line like this, and the program will end like this. So now let's check what is the final running result. So let's check the final running result. So the final result will be this one, right? Because the program print this one. And after the internalize, so 1 3 2 1 and enter new line. So this is about the final running result of this program. So now we run the program by Ctrl F4 on the keyboard. So this is about our running result will be like this. So it's about 3 2 1 and enter new line. So it will be as the previous explanation that 3 2 1 and enter new line.